Hey everyone, hope you're doing super awesome and welcome back to one more video in this series of sessions on sales funnel design. Now today we're going to discuss a typical case study where we are going to understand the critical mistakes that you shall not do while designing a landing page. Now this landing page is definitely one of the core elements of your overall sales funnel design. This landing page decides the success of your campaign. This landing page decides the conversion rate of your campaign. So this becomes one of the critical pillars of your overall sales funnel success. In this particular session, we are going to take a quick landing page as an example and discuss about some critical mistakes that you shall never do while designing your landing pages. Now, to be very specific, we are not going to discuss about the do's and don'ts of the design of a landing page. Rather, we are going to discuss about the technical aspects of a landing page. So let's get started. So this is a quick link. So I have this is a Google ad link. You can have a look at this G-Click ID. So this is primarily the link that I have brought me to this particular landing page. So from a Google ad, I landed up on this landing page. Now, for a normal user, a normal user who do not have any idea about web design, who do not have any idea about digital marketing or any of this landing page and campaigns and all of that stuff, that the user is a normal person who is looking to know more about this particular business. So let's say the user has gone through all of this communication, all of this content, they've spent some significant time on this landing page, and before they enroll or before they become a lead or a paying customer, before they go into this particular process of purchasing or enrolling for this offer, they would like to know, let's say they're looking to know more about this particular brand, and that's where a normal user will actually get rid of all of this slug over here. They'll also get rid of this particular landing page link, and they would like to get into the home page of your website and expect some more information about the brand that would establish the credibility and the relationship between this brand and the user. And that's where I land up on this page where it's a default page from the WordPress setup. This is a default WordPress setup. This is the default content that is there. Whenever you install WordPress, you get this default setup on your website. So in the home page, the user is expecting some more information on this particular brand so that they can trust and make a decision that if they would like to go with this offer that you are trying to sell through this landing page. And that's where they get this page. Now this is a serious mistake. This is a critical turning point in the user's decision making journey. They would like they're looking to know more about your brand, and that's where they get exposed to this no content, and that reflects the lack of value proposition, the lack of seriousness of this particular brand. The next big mistake is this home page is exposing all the other pages on your website. Now if you look at this particular website, there is no static web page as such. By static web page, I mean the standard pages like home page, about us, contact us, all of those pages. Now all of these are landing pages. Now you are exposing the user to all your historic landing pages. So from this particular list of pages, I can get into your old campaigns, and then this might expose some other content that you would not like to show your users. Now these landing pages are built specific to campaigns for each and every offer, for each and every specific, for a particular value proposition to promote a particular offer. You are designing these landing pages, and that's where you are exposing the user to your historic campaigns, your historic content, your historic offers, your historic landing pages. This is one more serious mistake. Now, in case the user is someone who is your competitor, or the user is someone who is from the same industry and have a lot of knowledge in this domain, so they would also be able to use this data to kind of understand what has been your strategy over the historic time. So let's say right now I am someone who already know about all of this. I'm not a normal user. I'm someone from the same industry. I have knowledge about this particular landing page, sales funnel and campaigns business. So that particular person can also get into your sitemap. Now for a sitemap, I can simply get into your landing page and then get into the view page source or inspect element and then get into the sitemap. Now sitemap is again one more thing that you shall definitely try to hide from your competitors. Your competitors can get into your sitemap, get all the information about all the pages that is there on your website. So over here, let's say I'm interested in the different pages. I can get into the page section of the sitemap, and then I can get the list of all your historic pages, even the test page, what all campaigns you have done. Now this is pretty much exposing your strategy to your competitors. So this is again one more serious mistake that you shall definitely try to avoid while designing a landing page. And in this whole process of sales funnel, your landing page is the only element that is exposed to your users. So please make sure that your landing pages are very private to your strategy. Having a homepage with some basic information about your brand helps you build credibility, helps you build the connect with your audience. And in case you do not have anything to showcase, please redirect it. Please redirect your homepage to your landing pages itself. And whenever you are moving ahead with your campaigns, all the historic landing pages that you do not need, please turn them into a draft. You have an option to make your landing pages private. You have an option to turn your landing pages into a draft page in your website. So yes, this was a quick case study on the different pros and cons of your technical structuring that you shall follow while designing your landing pages. So if you have any doubts, any questions, please drop it in the chat box. See you in the next session with one more case study like this. Thank you so much.